Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this miniature bathroom. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. And in case you don't want to miss my next videos, make sure to activate the notification bell. As you can see, I'm using sticky back plastic or contact paper, cardboard and white paper to make miniature tiles and the bathroom walls. And for those of you who are interested in the materials that I used for this project, I listed all of them in the description box underneath this video. To make the tub, I'm using an empty laundry detergent bottle, cardboard, paperboard and acrylic paint. Building the cardboard frame around the plastic bottle before gluing everything in place makes it a lot easier to draw and cut in a straight line. Unfortunately, I didn't measure correctly and now there's a few visible gaps between the tub and the walls, but since I'm adding more tiles, they're not going to be visible. Now I'm using clear plastic, nail varnish, lollipop sticks, wire, hot glue, a straw and beads to make the shower head, tabs for the tub and the sink and the shower door. Cut little triangles from clear plastic to make shelves for shampoo bottles and shower gel. You can attach them to the wall by squeezing them in between the bathroom tiles. You don't even need to use glue. I'm using these bottles from a previous video. You can follow the link in the info box if you want to watch the tutorial. Now use more paperboard, cardboard and white paint to make an additional wall. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!